cruisers are stuck in the past, the 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan S is here to change your mind. With updated tech, sleek styling, and performance that punches above its class, this might just be the most exciting Vulcan yet. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the latest rides and tech with zero fluff. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan S, a bike that blends classic cruiser vibes with modern muscle. Design. Right off the bat, the Vulcan S catches your eye. The new matte and metallic colour options add serious attitude, while the redesigned LED headlight and sharper body lines give it a futuristic edge. It still rocks that low-slung frame and relaxed posture, but with just enough aggression to stand out at the next bike night. Performance. Under the hood, or rather the tank, is a refined 649 cubic centimetre parallel twin engine. Kawasaki's engineers have smoothed out the throttle response and tweaked the gearing, delivering even better low-end torque and a more connected feel. Whether you're carving through city streets or cruising the highway, the Vulcan S feels confident, nimble and fun. Features and technology. 2026 brings smart upgrades too. A new TFT display with smartphone connectivity keeps your ride data and notifications front and centre. ABS and traction control are now standard, and the Ergo-Fit system returns, letting you tailor the bike's ergonomics to fit your size and style. Conclusion. So is the 2026 Vulcan S the ultimate modern cruiser? We think it makes a strong case. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like if you enjoyed the review, share with your riding crew, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more two-wheel insights. Ride safe, and we'll catch you in the next one.